Good day, everyone. I'm Gerson Domingo, together with Sydney Geronimo, and right now we will be presenting our midterm project, and we are from 1 ITE. Our program called Multi-Tier Banking System. This program simulates a simple banking system for three types of users: basic, premium, and VIP. It allows users to log in with their account number and PIN, check their account balance, deposit money, and withdraw their money. The system also includes security features such as locking their accounts, entering the wrong PIN with multiple times to prevent such malicious doings, and it enforces daily withdrawal limits for basic and premium accounts. This program is designed to show how a real banking system works and manage different account types, handle transactions, and maintain security in a simple and clear way. Now, let's proceed to the code explanation parts by parts. First, the code begins by importing scanner class, which allows the program to get the input from the user. Next, it defines variable for three types of account: basic, premium, and VIP. Each account has its own account number, PIN, balance, and daily withdrawal limit, except for the VIP, of course, because which do not have a limit. Additional variables are created to track how much money has been withdrawn and whether an account is locked. Next, this line is a welcome message to greet the user when the program starts. And onto this part, the program uses a do-while loop to allow multiple users to log in repeatedly until the program is terminated. Next is, as you can see, we should check if all accounts are locked. And if all accounts are locked due to wrong PIN and multiple attempts, the program stops and informs the user. Next, the program prompts the user to enter the account number with the message "Enter account number from 0 to exit." The user's input is stored in the variable account. If the user enters 0, the program prints goodbye a message. Thank you and goodbye, and then terminates the program using a break statement. This allows the user to exit the program gracefully at any time, whether they want it or just continue the withdrawal or deposit to their account. Now, let's move to the next part. The program first creates temporary variables to hold the account information for the current login, including the account type, PIN, balance, limit, and withdrawn amount, and whether the account is locked. Then it checks which account the user entered, basic, premium, or VIP, and fills this variable with correct data. If the account is not found, the program shows account not found and asks the user to enter the account number again. Next is, the program first checks if the account is locked. If it is, it shows this account is locked. Try another or different one, and ask the user to enter a different account if the account is not locked. The user has 3 chances to enter the correct PIN. If the PIN is correct, the user logs in successfully. If all three attempts fail, the program locks the account and shows account locked. Too many wrong pin or too many attempts.
Hello, my name is Marcin Geronimo. I'm a student of Section 1 ITE, talking the thesis 102 research project. After login, the program welcomes the user show their current balance. That user can make a three transition in one session, such as deposit, withdraw like check balance, or log out. If the user chooses to deposit, the program adds the entire amount to balance it to positively show the new balance. If the amount is not valid, the program is reject and ask again. And t equals to 1 to 3. This is loop does allow three transaction and display a menu for user to choose one kind of transaction to perform. If the user chosen to withdraw, the program subtract the amount from the balance only in there enough money and daily limit is not extended from basic premium accounts. VIP accounts can withdraw any amount a limit. If the choose to one, as for deposit amount, as to balance if valid to zero, invalid to print and error to struck, so invalid attempt to choose count of three allows transactions. If the user choosing the check balance, the program show the account type, current balance, and the withdraw amount. For VIP's accounts, it's inform user there is no daily limit. Then if there equals VIP, this means their account is not VIP. Then do something. Maybe you should show the limit, import a sample notice. If the user chosen to log out, the program show logging out and ends the current session, returning to account numbers pro. And choose to 4 means the user click log out and click logging out is breaks out a transition loop and ending the session. The else handles invalid menu inputs like 5.6 of letters, print invalid choose, then choose the T so to choose account to attempt to 1 3 allows the transactions. After user finishes transaction, the program updates the account data by saving that new balance and withdraw amount so it will be current for the next login. And then ask and another user want to log in. If the answer is no, program ends with this message. Season ended and thank you. Finally, the program closed and scanner to free system resources. If the plugin is user in basics, it stores their update, balance and withdraws values equal val basic and withdraw basics. If premium is update val premium and withdraw premium. Otherwise, VIP is update and VIP's data. If it's running code, then this program is simple banking system for three accounts type. User can log in, deposit money, withdraw money, and check their balance. It was security figures like PIN, checking amount, looking basic premium accounts that heavily delivered withdraw limits. Well, VIP accounts do not user can do up three transactions each times and log in can let another person use the system after finish. Thank you.